Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican rock cake or rock bun. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by rubbing the fat into the flour, and I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And I have 1 stick of butter, which is ½ cup of butter, and you want your butter to be at room temperature. So now we're just going to rub this into the flour. You're just breaking up the butter into the flour like this. So when it bakes, it have a nice color and a nice crispy taste. It's going to start to feel like sun when you start to rubbing in the fat into the flour. This is what you want it to look like, nice and crumbly. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated nutmeg. And I'm going to add my coconut flakes. You can use natural coconut flakes, the one that you just break the coconut and grater and add it to it. But I'm just going to use the store-bought one. And this is 7 ounces. So now we're just gonna incorporate everything together. You can use a spoon or you can use something to do this, but I rather just to use my hands. It make it more easier to do. To distribute all the ingredients like this. 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm just gonna do the same. Alright, everything is nicely mixed in and distributed evenly. I'm gonna add this to it. I'm using 1 egg. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And right here I have 1 cup of coconut milk. You can just use water if you don't have coconut milk. And I'm gonna add this gradually. Don't add all of the coconut milk at once. So we're just gonna combine this together. And also you could add some raisin if you'd like. And I'm also going to leave the measurement down in the description. I always leave the measurement down in the description so you can check that out. And you want this to be like a cookie dough texture. You don't want it to be too soft. You want to scrape the side of the bowl so you get all the flour from the bowl and everything is incorporated. This texture is how you want it, nice and thick. So you just want to go ahead and preheat the oven on 350. I'm going to put them onto our baking sheet. You can make them any size you want. You can make them big or you can make them small or medium. These are gonna be amazing. This is always gonna be your go-to rock cake recipe. I have a video upload already that I add raisin to them. You can go also and check out that one. And you just shape them however you like them. Make them into a nice, form them up after putting them onto the tray. So these are what they're looking like before they go into the oven. Now I'm gonna pop them into the oven to bake for at least 30 to 45 minutes or until nice and golden brown. And here you have it, guys, 45 minutes into the oven and they're smelling nice. Coconut flavors popping out, all these flavors bursting out. They're looking nice, golden brown, and this is how you want them. And this is how I make my Jamaican rock cake or rock bun. This nice with cheese or pear. You can eat this with anything you want to eat it. A very nice dessert, coconut flavor. So now I'm just gonna break into one so you guys can see. I allow this to cool a little bit. So they're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. This is exactly how you want them. When you bite into it, you have a nice bite. It's not supposed to be tough all the way. So this is how you want it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and you can also check out my other videos, and the link will be down in the description. Bye, guys.